Everybody always wants to know what successful people do, but that's the wrong question. The right question is, what are unsuccessful people doing so that I don't make the same mistake? One of the most common ways that I describe unsuccessful people is that you can't have a 7-figure income if you have a 5-figure lifestyle. So are you checking that 5-figure lifestyle box? Are you snoozing and losing? Or are you waking up and entering a perverse form of procrastination morning routine where you wake up and have gratitude, and then you have cold water, and then you have YouTube videos, and then you have yoga and meditation and interpretive dance? Like, if you're doing all of those things and it takes you 90 minutes before you even get to your to-do list, which is another mistake, making your to-do list in the morning. If you're making your to-do list in the morning, you're already too late because you're missing out on the greatest discipline, willpower, and intention. So again, unsuccessful people waste the first hour and a half of the morning when you should be getting the most important work done. Like, look behind me. These dogs are getting their important work done right now. And you need to be like the dog, attacking the day. Now, unsuccessful people, they also have bad evening routines. So you're staying up too late, watching too much Netflix, you're drinking too much alcohol, and it's like one becomes just another, which becomes just the bottle or just the entire season. If you are struggling with that, you need to commit. You need to commit to non-negotiables in your day. I have 7 of them, including that I get up at 3:57 a.m. every single day. What time do I go to bed? 8:30, same as my wife, all right? And then I get up and I work 90 minutes on my most important sales-generating activities. Every single day I'm drumming up business. Unsuccessful people are reactive. They wake up not knowing what to do, and they don't spend time generating income in their business. Is that you? Is that you doing too many things before breakfast and not generating any income? If you want to grow $1 million business, 80% of your time must be spent on sales. I'm doing these videos, this content creation, after I've done that. I also exercise every single day. I do a meditation every single day. I read every single day, not for a long time, not for hours. It's not procrastination. It is actually very methodical learning and very methodical meditation to slow me down, because I can get a little crazy sometimes, all right? So make that checklist of all the things that unsuccessful people do, such as snoozing and losing, too much Netflix, not going to bed on time, not getting your sales activities, and go, I'm doing all of those things. No wonder I'm not getting ahead like these dogs. All right, speaking of these dogs, I've earned the right to go and enjoy some time with them, and I want you to be successful too. So don't just sit there and stand around. Take some action, all right? Drop a comment down below if you are like, yeah, I get this. This is me, and I want to change, all right? Can't wait to hear from you. Can't wait to help you. Can't wait to help you go and grow your business.